Did you know you could produce your own nitrogen gas? The University of Texas in Austin reached out to our local distributor for a turnkey system. We designed and built a 37-foot custom enclosure with temperature control. The reason was that the equipment inside had to remain under 90 Fahrenheit to reach a high level of nitrogen purity at 99.99%. The job was challenging due to the height of the equipment we had to assemble on-site. First, we offloaded the enclosure, then dropped in the 15-foot tall N2 generators. A custom cap to seal the enclosure was then added on the roof. Finally, assembling a custom filter intake hood for the compressor. The air goes through the filers on the side directly into the compressor. The research lab can now benefit using their own nitrogen supply.